We're gonna reward ourselves with breakfast. This might be the best breakfast ever made. This might be the best breakfast in history, guys. We got some fluffy pancakes. This is how we wake up. This is how we spend every Friday with Fried Chicken Fridays. Fried Chicken Fridays' main ingredient is good old chicken breast. So grab 2 chicken breasts and butterfly them both. Cover with the plastic and start to beat them flat until somebody calls animal cruelty. After that, slice your breast into thin slices. Add in half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Mix all the spices together with the plastic glove. Add in 3 tablespoons of hot sauce. And add 1 cup of buttermilk and 1 beaten egg. Cover and let it marinate for a minimum of 1 hour or overnight for the best results. For the thickest, fluffiest pancakes, add 1 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. For the wet batter, add in 1 cup of milk, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Mix all the wet ingredients properly. And then add the wet batter into the dry ingredients. Whisk the mixture together. Be careful not to overmix, guys. Now, if you want your pancakes to be absolutely thick, let your pancake batter rest for about 10 minutes. In a hot cast iron skillet, add in 1 teaspoon of oil. And then cook your pancakes until the first side is golden brown or until the top surface forms bubbles. Flip and repeat for all the pancakes. Could take about 2 to 3 minutes per side depending on the heat level of your skillet. For our fried chicken, in a bowl add in 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of mustard powder, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. With a whisk, mix in all the spices and the flour together. In a deep pot, add in about 1 liter of oil. So, to coat your stripes from your buttermilk brine, add your chicken to the flour, coat, shake off the excess, back into the brine, shake off the excess and then back into your flour. Coat and shake off the excess. Place on a plate and repeat for the remaining pieces. Place your chicken in the oil and fry for about 5 minutes until they are golden brown. For the habanero sauce, in a small saucepan, add in 5 tablespoons of honey, and add in 2 of your favorite hot peppers. I added 3 habanero peppers and 6 red chili peppers. Add salt and let that cook for about 5 minutes. So if you just want the honey without the pepper flakes, grab a sieve and separate the infused honey from the peppers. Or you can just add the honey with the peppers in the bowl. These peppers taste like hot candy. Pretty good to eat, guys. And then there you have it, folks. Fried chicken pancakes with habanero honey. Some fried chicken, spicy fried chicken, and of course spicy habanero honey. This is delicious. Pure bliss. We got spiciness coming from the chicken, coming from the habanero chilies too. We got the sweetness coming from the honey. This could be a dessert. Fried chicken dessert. If you're on a diet, this is what you should enjoy in your cheat meal. I swear you won't regret it. Imagine this brought to you while you're in bed, having fried chicken and pancakes, breakfast in bed. That would be crazy. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys try this out and I hope you enjoyed it. I'm Meg from Meg Loves Cooking. Hope you guys have a blessed weekend. I know I will. Peace.